What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Vaiot. Vaiot. I don't know how to pronounce it. VAI USDT on KuCoin. We're talking about this for Mr. Geek USD or USA. Sorry, USD. It's USA. Geek USA. We're talking about this one for you. Looking at this thing, I wonder, is that all the? Yeah. I don't know about that. FA Vaiot. Vaiot. Right? Is that VAIOT? Yeah. That one there. Okay, yeah, we're going to go with the KuCoin chart. I think that'll make more sense. Vaiot KuCoin. Okay. Anyways, not a whole lot of data to go off of, so don't hold me too critical with this, right? But right now it does look like you have a bull flag. Pull here, flagging out here. When you break, you'll probably have a nice bullish reaction to the upside, obviously. Looking at this thing on the weekly RSI, looks strong, relatively strong. It got down to this oversold area but didn't quite touch it, right? And you actually just had a very bullish reaction out of it. Nice to see. Let's see here, from low to high. You held your 1272 as support, man. And you came all the way back up, blasted through your 618. I would expect that you go higher. I don't think you turn around here. I think you do go higher. And that would be nice because then you're kind of breaking out of this potential bull flag that you might have. If it is a bull flag, your measure move would be from here to here. You take it to the bottom of the flag here, right? And that would take you all the way up to about $2.46. You're sitting at about $9 now, so that would be an impressive move, man. Very impressive move. Yeah, from the current price, that would be almost a 28x. So potential, and it would happen in a very short amount of time, right? This took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks, so about 3 months, a quarter of a year to do that. So that's, I know that seems like a long time for a lot of us, but that's, I mean, we essentially have 2 months left in this year. You could see this kind of move happen, or at least most of it happen before the end of the year. This could be the beginnings of it, and it lines up. You know, the weekly RSI looking this strong looks good. Volume is increasing, that looks good as well. You're above your purple line on the daily, strong RSI on the daily as well. Yes, you're overbought, but I think things are just getting cooking, man. I don't think you have a retracement from here. I think it wants to keep going. If you were to retrace, it's not going to be by much. You're at 9 cents. I doubt you would go even below 7.5 cents, really. Maybe like below 7.3 cents. But then from there, up. You're probably going to have a nice move relatively soon, is what I would expect. 4 hour, a little neutral but bullish looking for sure, right? Coming out of your overbought zone, but staying out of the bearish area of control, holding this 40 area, coming back up, being constructive. It looks like you want to make another run like rather immediately. So volume is dying off a little bit right now, which isn't too encouraging, but if the price goes up from here, if we go above this high on a 4 hour and close above it, watch the volume come in, man. It'll probably come in. I don't know if I have anything else that I want to add. I don't know where this thing's going to go. There's not enough historical data for me to feel confident or comfortable making that kind of call. I mean, from top to bottom here, by the end of the cycle, I can say that I would expect to see new all-time highs, probably at $21, maybe even upwards to $212. That's your realm of expectations. It's a very, very big range, and here you are sitting at 9 cents now. So a $21 price, man, how much is that? That's ridiculous. This is what I mean by don't hold me to it. That would be a 238x. 238x. That's totally possible because I'm pretty sure this thing has a very low market cap. VAI. Vaiot. I don't know. $26 million. A 100x would put it at $2.6 billion. A 500x would be basically like, what would that be? That'd be like a $12 billion market cap. So this thing is definitely capable of seeing hundreds of X's by the end of the bull cycle. So could it go all the way up to its 1618? Sure, it could do that. That would be Ooh, that maybe not. I don't know. That would be a 2000x, I'm pretty sure, right? That'd be 1000. Yes, that'd be a 2269x. 2269. If you did 1000x, 100x would be at 2 billion, 1000x would be at 26 billion. I mean, that would put you below 100 billion still. I guess it's possible. This could be a 1000xable coin. It has the market cap capability, but it's so new, man. It's so new. There's so many charts that are brand new that have the potential to do great things, right? Because they have a low market cap, which leaves the room open for a lot of growth for sure. But that doesn't mean it has to. It doesn't mean it has to. What I can say is I would at least expect for an all-time high by the end of the cycle, something above $20 or around $20 is what I would expect, just from what I'm seeing here. But again, not a whole lot of history to go off of. It's kind of a shot in the dark, if you will. Maybe these tops might be a little bit more conservative. That would take you, I don't know, anywhere to at least new all-time highs, if not maybe $18, still around that $20 area. So will you break $100 this cycle? Maybe. Maybe not. Don't get discouraged if you don't. But if you do, this thing could definitely 1000x from here. It could 1000x, but I just, I feel more comfortable in saying multiple 100x's probably. And even that's a lot. So don't be, even a 50x would be pretty awesome. So don't get discouraged if none of that happens. Again, very new coin, not a whole lot to go off of. So that's all I gotta say, man. I think things look good right now. I think that you do look like you want to continue going higher. If you were to pull back from here, it probably won't be by much. Again, I'm putting this in all my videos, again, assuming that you're not too dramatically affected by the drop that's going to come in November. I do expect altcoins and Bitcoin across the board are going to shit the bed this month. There will be some that don't. There will be some that do even more than the other ones. And then the average drop for altcoins is an expected 34.3% drop. Now that doesn't mean, it's November 6th. On the chart, it's November 7th right now. We still have a whole month to go. November is notorious for being volatile. We could go up 20% from here and then have our 34% drop, right? We could go, a lot of coins, a lot of cryptos have no problem doing a 20% growth in a day. Things are bullish right now. This is kind of when that would happen. And then if we saw a drop from there, that would fulfill this 34% drop to be expected in November. And we could still turn around and close the month green even if we had that drop in the month. November, again, is a very volatile month. And if you haven't seen this video, I'm kind of advertising it in all my videos today. Altcoins are in trouble, or Bitcoin November analysis. I really suggest watching these to take into account why and where I'm getting this November drop from, because it's just something we've seen historically speaking, specifically pertaining to the November right before the halving too. It tends to be a not good time for crypto. And I say a not good time, but generally speaking, when we get these drops, we have fantastic recoveries too. So don't be scared, just be prepared. If it happens, buy more. Definitely not a good time to FOMO in if you have money sitting on the side. If you have money invested, it's not a good time to sell, I don't think, because things could definitely go up from here. So patience, and just preparation. And what that looks like in the form of preparation, it looks like having cash on the side, not selling your investments now, and then if we get a dip, you buy the dip. It's just that simple. Don't let emotions control you. If you're feeling emotional, stop. Just walk away. Walk away from your computer. If you're feeling emotional to buy or to sell right now, walk away. Get out. Just go do something else. Like literally go do something else. So that's all I got for you guys. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more. I think this thing definitely wants to break out of this little downtrend that it's in and probably see a more or less similar move. Generally, whenever you get a move like this and then you consolidate, the next move isn't at the same pitch. It would probably be a little bit at a decline, but it could be faster. There's times, or even at the same pitch, that's possible too, but generally speaking, you get a kind of less strong move. Still strong, but just like less of it. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.